Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 using more than 70% of your RAM even when your computer is sitting idle. Seeing high memory usage can look like a problem, but in many cases it is completely normal. Windows 11 uses a feature called memory caching. Instead of leaving RAM empty, it fills the available space with data from apps that you use often. This helps those programs open much faster. The important thing to know is that this cached memory is not locked. As soon as you open a game, a video editor, or another demanding program, Windows automatically clears the cached data and gives that memory to the app that needs it. You can check this yourself by opening Task Manager, selecting the Performance tab, choosing Memory, and looking for the cached value near the bottom. If your computer feels slow or you think there is a memory leak, you can reduce unnecessary background activity. Open Task Manager. Select Startup Apps from the left side. Then disable programs that do not need to start with Windows, such as Steam, Discord, or OneDrive. This can reduce RAM usage after every boot. You can also turn off the sysmain service. Press the Windows key, type Services, and press Enter. Find sysmain. Right-click it and choose Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled. Click Stop, then select Apply and OK. This prevents Windows from constantly preloading apps into memory, which may help on some systems with limited RAM. After making these changes, restart your computer and check if memory usage has improved. Thanks for watching.